everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make this macrame heart design with an open center. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 6 ropes to a dowel rod with a reverse lark's head knot. Now to make the top half of our heart, I'm going to take the 3rd cord from the left and point it down to the left and tie 2 double half hitch knots. Now I'm going to take the 4th cord from the left and point it down to the right and tie 2 double half hitch knots. Now I'm going to take the 4th cord from the right side and point it down and to the left and tie 2 double half hitch knots. I'm going to take the 2 cords directly in the middle and attach them together with another double half hitch knot. Finally, I'm going to take the 3rd cord from the right, point it down and to the right, and tie 2 double half hitch knots. The top part of our heart is now finished. To make the bottom part of our heart, we're going to take the far left and far right ropes and point them down towards each other to finish out our heart. And this is where we will make the open heart pattern. So I'm going to start here on the left side, and I'm going to take the rope right next to it and tie 1 double half hitch knot. Now instead of taking the next cord, I'm going to skip the next 3 and take the 4th cord here. And I'm going to tie this one next. Now I'll grab the next cord to the left of the last one we did and tie another double half hitch knot. Repeat by grabbing the next cord on the left. Finished with the very last cord all the way on the left side. You should now have tied 5 double half hitch knots. We will repeat on the right side. Take the cord all the way on the right and point it down towards the left, and take the very next cord and tie 1 double half hitch knot. Skip the next 3 cords and take the one all the way on the far left. Now continue tying double half hitch knots, working left to right. Connect the 2 ropes in the middle with another double half hitch knot. Our open heart design is now finished. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.